takes it up, it dumps the garbage in here, then the garbage guy puts these buttons on it, then it comes, this comes up, and this comes down. It picks up all the garbage and takes it into a garbage container.
Oh, that's okay. And then what? Does it drive away?
That drives away to the next game. Drives away to the next city to pick up some more garbage. When it's full, it goes to a garbage dump and empty a trash.
How does he empty the trash?
First he gets out of the truck and presses the button and goes, it goes up and goes beep, 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 beep. Then happy and press for another. This comes out. He pushes the garbage out of the truck. Then it drives out. Then the boats are going to come and push all trash in a big hole in the ground. And the trucks drive away and collect some and go out to the cities and collect some more garbage. That's how it works.
Okay. Is that all?
Yep.
Okay, we're done.